We have, let me check if Wisdom is already here. Okay, Wisdom is here already. So I'll be bringing in Wisdom. I'll be bringing in Wisdom to talk to us. So Wisdom is an ex-student of Digital who is doing great things, and I will call on him to share his experience with us before I lead us into how to break into cloud engineering. So let's hear from somebody who used to be like you, who watched me some maybe months back, or maybe not up to a year, and they is now a cloud engineer. So, Wisdom, you are welcome to tonight's session. Can we
Good
see
evening,
your
sir.
face? Yeah,
Sure.
good evening. Yeah, how are you doing?
Very fine. Thank you very much. Thank
Okay,
you.
just to see your face. Yeah, good. Good to see your face. So you are
All right.
welcome. Yeah. So I just have a few questions. I know some maybe this year, maybe last year, you were on this webinar, just like everyone here, listening to me and wondering that, hope these people are not scammers,
It was just
right?
exactly the same as December last year.
Oh, interesting. And
Yeah.
today, I'm really happy to know that you are doing amazing things in the field of cloud, right? So
Yeah.
I want you to first of all introduce yourself to our viewers, and what you do. Just introduce yourself briefly before we go to the other questions. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Pastor. I really appreciate this opportunity. Right. So, okay, my name is Wisdom, me Wisdom Bezalel, and I this time last year I enrolled as um I enrolled with cloud with Digital as a cloud engineering students. Yeah. So currently, I'm a cloud engineer with Layer 3, a cloud service provider in Lagos State. So I got the role just after my cohort ended some months back, just like 3 months or so. I got the role, and also a teaching assistant also here at AGCAL. So I got basically doing like three cloud jobs at the moment, of which one is a teaching role and two are cloud infrastructure roles. So
Wonderful.
that's it.
Mm. So the next question is, how did you get to know about Agital? Right. Yeah, I heard the
Okay.
part that you currently do three jobs. One is a remote role, one is a
Yes.
physical job, and the other one is you are a teaching assistant with Agital. So,
Yes.
how did you get to know about us? Mm.
Okay. On Instagram, basically, I was doing actually I didn't even get into cloud engineering at first. I got to know about it on Instagram. The ad just came up. I was like, this ad, take. I've been looking to do tech. I've been lazy. I've just been like, me, I cannot program. I cannot do all of those stuff. When I see code, my head just mess up. Anytime I see those jobs. I just like, no, I'm not ready for this. So I just click the link and I was like, Microsoft 365 engineering. And I got Mr. Pastor spoke and I was convinced and I registered. And that was September. The course started, the tutor was fantastic, Miss Jenny. I was like, wow. And I discovered that she herself was a DevOps engineer. I was like, DevOps. I asked her, DevOps, like, what is the difference? Which one is bigger? But like, DevOps is like top three tech jobs in the world. DevOps, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence. I was like, what am I now doing in Microsoft 3? I just registered again. I was not doing two cohorts with digital then. So I registered for DevOps and it went well, 6 months time. I wrote my certifications and passed and here I am.
Wonderful, wonderful. So it's also good that you mentioned DevOps, because I could see some people asking questions. Oh, does it involve DevOps? Is there DevOps there? We teach you everything, both DevOps and the cloud platform. So I also said that during the presentation. So now you listen to me just like people are listening to me today. But what made you
Yeah.
to register for the program? What made you to register for the program? Why did you register that day? Why did you just say, oh my, these people are just, that's how all of them used to do, Joe. That's how they would talk, and we'll get there, we won't see anything. So what do you have
Okay,
to
why
say?
I registered? Many things, many reasons I registered, right?
Yeah.
Because first of all, I was always scared of tech because of programming. And when you made it clear to us that we didn't need any knowledge at all, I've never been in tech. I'm not a very, very techie person. I will not even lie to myself. I'm not a techie person. I've been in business since I was just doing business and I was like, okay, business might go like this, business might go like that. But tech is something the top 10 richest men, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Zuckerberg, everybody are doing tech. Let me just let me just do my own. And I got into
Mm,
tech. I was like, okay. And why I was able to you convinced me like you left your oil job and you came to tech. Like who leaves oil job for tech? Okay, something must be in this tech. I was like, okay, let me do it.
mm.
And that was I actually that was how I was convinced. And
Interesting. Interesting. So, regarding the training program, right? You mentioned Jennifer, right? And you
yeah,
also mentioned um, who was your tutor? Was it I know Mr. Raf.
Bumi, yeah, Bumi was my
Okay,
tutor.
Bumi. Oh, interesting, interesting.
Yeah.
So, how was the training program like when you got into the program? Like, what were your fears before you enrolled, and when the classes started? How was it like? It was a 6 months program, so just give us an overview.
Okay, when it started, right, um it was quite she knew how to take us gradually, right?
Mm.
Gradually all this cloud computing and it got stronger and stronger. But at
So, for
some
our
point it was
viewers, Bumi is a lawyer.
yes, she's a lawyer.
Yeah,
She's a lawyer
yeah,
coming into tech. Like that even
yeah,
encouraged me, right? That even
yeah.
encouraged me because she's a lawyer and she's married. She doesn't really have time to do much, but yet she was able to do tech. I was like, if she's a lawyer and she's married, me that is a science student. I'm a man. I'm not married. This thing is small thing. I'll chop it. So,
Mm,
so that's how I got in, and many times it was quite. I was like, okay, this thing is getting stronger, and I feel like I'm overwhelmed, right?
mm,
But my
yeah.
career coach, Mr. Raphael, was always whenever there was career coaching section, was like I think it
Mm.
was once or twice in a month. Then, whenever I hear him speak, I feel so motivated.
Yes,
I
sir.
when he tells me, he made me draw my calendar.
Mm,
I have a board here, right here.
mm,
He made me get this
mm,
board. I write my plans. He ginger. I say if you are not doing this, you are wrong. You do. I'm like okay, I'll do it. Whenever I feed him and I listen to him, I'm energized and
mm,
I go back to my board. I do my stuff. I do my apply skills. I do my apply
mm,
skills. I get prepared for my certifications and probably before a week before the next career coaching session, I'm already feel like this thing is in my head. He comes back again. Like he was always available. I go to his DM whenever I want. I tell him, sir, this was happening, this was happening. Like, don't worry. In fact, many times he would send me link to some kind of videos that could help me. And whenever there were even job opportunities, it would be in my DM. Look at this link, apply. Look at this link, apply. I
yeah,
remember
yeah.
one
And a lot of students get those jobs, though. Like in the
yes,
last 1 or 2 weeks now, he has sent me like four of our students who have gotten jobs. But many of them
yes,
always
very
hide.
nice.
You saw it.
See them on LinkedIn. They come as
Yeah,
I just got a job with so and so
yeah,
person, and we are both in the same cohort at Digital. I'm like,
yeah.
post this thing on the group. Nobody posts on the group. Like people just want to hide
No,
and
they
do
won't
themselves.
now. They are afraid of
So
village
that was
people.
so that was it basically. Mr. Rafe really encouraged me. Mr. Rafe, Miss Jenny,
Yeah.
even until now, Miss Jenny, even she wasn't my cohort, she wasn't my tutor for cloud,
Mm,
but she was always
mm,
there for me, even until a few days ago, we still spoke. And she tells me, okay,
mm,
this is how she went, this is how she went, and I give her update on how it's going. She's always there for
mm.
me.
Interesting. Interesting. So, we are still bringing Mr. Ifeanyi and Mary, so that's why we're making it very short. But I appreciate your time with us tonight. So, then the
Thank
last
you very
question
much.
I want to ask is, so based on your experience with digital, can you comfortably say that individuals without a tech background can learn cloud engineering with the digital consulting bootcamp?
Definitely. Like I
Mm,
said, it was just December here I entered. I've not done, I've never tried to study programming before. even till now, safe. I'm still not. Within you don't have, you don't you don't know how to you don't need to know how to program even until now. All right,
Mm,
now on the job on during the cohort, I was taught how to script bashing. I know how to use bash with the help of ChatGPT. The basic coding you even need is just
mm,
to type on ChatGPT. ChatGPT give me this so and so policy for this AWS permission. ChatGPT gives you everything. Type, deploy. You are good to go. It's just
mm,
too easy now with the help of ChatGPT. So I can say without a tech background, you cannot be as good. I don't want to bring myself too low, but I was not
mm,
even techy at all. I was not even it.
mm.
I was even the last person to think that I would even get a tech job. I was like, see me, I'm doing 2 jobs, I'm doing 3 jobs in tech, in cloud. I'm really amazed
Mm.
at myself. So it's possible. It's possible. Without a tech
Yeah.
background, it's possible. Without a degree, it's possible. Just follow the courses. You don't understand it. You can come back for the video, watch again, watch until you
Mm.
understand the teaching assistant. You can always go back to teaching assistants and they'll put you through. That's it basically.
Yeah, thank you very much, Wisdom, for your time. You're a busy man doing 3 jobs in tech. It's not a joke. So let me allow you to rest. So thanks for your time, man. Yeah.